Good morning, students. Myself Niranjan Kumar. Today we will discuss about our cloth materials. Chapter 4. This chapter is important as we will also discuss same chapter in class 7 and in class 8 also. In this chapter, we will discuss how cloths are made, what type of fibers are used to make the cloth, and how these fibers are extracted, prepared by us. At first, why do we need cloths? As we know that there are some basic things we need to live. As for example, we need food, water, air, that are essential part of our life for survival. Along with these substances, cloth is also very important. It protects us from harsh climate, extreme cold, hot, rain, etc. And it also protects us from germs. And nowadays, cloth also used as a uniform which makes the person smart or make a different identity in our society. As we can see that doctor has a special dress, policeman has a special dress, students has a special dress. So we can recognize the people, the working occupation of that people by their dress. So dress is also makes the specific categories of the people. So these are the basic requirements, needs of the cloth. In ancient times, people were not used cloth because there were no technique developed to make the cloth. So people were using war costumes, leaves, animal skin to cover their body to protect from climate or any other danger. But when people started living at a particular place, when they started growing crops, then people also started to cultivate some crops that give us fiber that is used to make the cloth. So in ancient India, in our country, in Egypt, in other countries, the people, especially those who are located near the rivers, like in India, people living near the Gangas, Satluj, in Misr, people living in near the Nile, also started to grow the crops like cotton and jute. These crops were used to extract fiber. So, after cultivation of cotton and jute, people had started to make the cloth. But still there were no technique to make the cloth because there were no machines or equipment to make the cloth like looms that is used to make the cloth. So in previous time, in past time, after cultivation, people tie the fiber and rotate around their body. But after invention of machines to make the fiber, to make the yarn, they invented the machines to make the cloth. Then after, people have started to make the fabrics. At first, fiber. Fiber is a thin strand that is used to make the cloth or fabric. फाइबर का इस्तेमाल हम लोग कपड़े बनाने के लिए करते हैं, फैब्रिक बनाने के लिए करते हैं। ये बहुत पतला रेशा होता है। स्पेशली हम लोग फाइबर जो है जो यूज़ करते हैं वह दो सोर्सेस से प्राप्त करते हैं। देयर आर टू सोर्सेस ऑफ फाइबर्स, नेचुरल फाइबर and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers किसे कहेंगे? Natural fibers that are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. That means जो फाइबर हमें पेड़ और जानवर से प्राप्त होते हैं उस फाइबर्स को हम लोग नेचुरल फाइबर्स कहते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ फाइबर इज नेचुरल फाइबर that are obtained from either plant or animals. That means there are two sources of natural fibers, plants and animals. As for example, cotton, jute, silk, wool, etc. These are the examples of natural fibers. They are obtained either from plants or animals. So there are two types of natural fibers or two sources of natural fibers, plants and animals. We get cotton, jute, coir, sisal, etc. from plants. Actually, there are many plants that have fibers or weekend fibers from many plants, but fibers of all plants are not used to make the cloth. Only some plants are used to make the cloth or clothing materials, especially cotton and jute. These two are the most important plant fiber that are used to make the cloth or other materials. Coir is also used to make different substances like ropes, doormats, etc. Other plants like flax is also used to make the materials or fibers